20 years ago, the benefits of having a business website were not fully realized by small retail businesses. Nowadays, almost every small retail business has its own business website. But small retail businesses like yours may not have yet seen the many benefits of having your own mobile app. But trust us, soon you will. Designing and developing a high-quality and user-friendly mobile app is very expensive and very difficult to achieve. This is where we come in. Stores is a cost-effective, high-quality, and user-friendly mobile-based integrated e-commerce and delivery platform, ideal for small retail businesses like yours. With 3 mobile applications that operate smoothly together, we've created a user-friendly platform for effective marketing, easy sales, and fast delivery of your products to your loyal clients. First is our Shop app, which provides an easy solution for the creation of your online presence and your catalog of products. Also, to access to relevant information such as inventory and to create daily promotions. It enables seamless coordination between your sales, your deliveries, and your clients. Next is the Shopper app, which allows your loyal clients to navigate through your online products, add them to their cart, and check out using their credit or debit card. In addition, our state-of-the-art GPS tracking system ensures easy monitoring of the orders while they're in transit, and provide your clients with an accurate, estimated time of delivery. Finally, we have the Shipper app, which handles the deliveries by your own delivery team, essentially by connecting them in real time to your business through an electronic map that tracks their progress in real time. Reach out to us to learn more about our cutting-edge mobile e-commerce and delivery platform by visiting us at omtreksoft.com.